Alright, so I just made it to Busch Gardens, waiting to get into the parking lot. It's about 2:15 p.m. Looks pretty nice out, so, and it's like, what, 60 degrees, so I think there's at least, it should be a good chance I'll get at least one ride on Pantheon today. That's what I'm hoping. Maybe get some footage, that's the plan, because I am so doubtful about tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But if I at least get one ride, that'll make this trip worth it. See, everybody is waiting. I'm near the front of the line. Let's see that. It's kind of hard to see, but alright, I made it into the park, and now I'm heading over to Pantheon. Got everything all set. Got my quick queue for the day. I get one skip the line pass. I didn't realize I forgot all about that. And I got the GoPro, so we're gonna give that a run today. See how it goes.
Walk, not run here.
Alright, I am walking into Pantheon. They told us to walk, so we're like fast walking. See the whole crew there. Might make it on the first train of the day. We'll find out. Walking up to the station right now. I'm like so excited. Ride looks so good. Really gonna make it over. I'm like, yeah! There we go! Hey, wow, that was crazy. That was so much fun. Oh, wow, that was so good.
Welcome back. Hope you guys are right. At this time, Mr. Larkin, should the police stop? Please look at your money.
They're gonna go in at your very low upside down. Remain seats. Keep your hands on the lap bar. With your arms and legs down and inside the ride. With your head back against the head. Articles are not recorded beyond family.
I'm waiting to get a ride, another ride on Pantheon. At 5 o'clock they'll let us back in. I thought I'd go catch a quick ride on Apollo Chariot because it's a station wait, so why not? Woo!
look back as you brave the Black Forest.
Alpine is getting a new paint job, and actually I kind of like it. This light blue color really goes with the whole snow theme. I think it works pretty good. All right, it's time for Ride 2 on Pantheon. My second ride on Pantheon, and then it just broke down. So thankfully I have shot some footage of the ride. I'm not really sure if it's going to come back up or not. They actually just sent an empty train so they could unload the other train, but I mean, it's only getting colder. I mean, I hope it opens. I would really like to get a night ride on it, but I don't know. I'm just thankful I got some footage, a couple POVs, and yeah, maybe more luck tomorrow, but who knows. All right, day 2 here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, and you can see the day is starting off so incredibly well. It is downpouring rain. All right, so we're here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, and the wind is blowing crazy. Trash can get like blown apart and like smacked against that truck. It was pretty hilarious. It's like 30s, I don't know, but so yeah, we're gonna go get our one-time ride pass for Pantheon, which I highly doubt it's ever gonna open today, but you know, why not? Okay, so after being in the park for like 5 minutes, I realized that even with the sweater and shirts and everything I'm on, I was still too cold, so I went out and got a sweater, a little better, but it's like really windy. It's cold, and as far as I understand right now, I don't think there's a single ride running. So I guess we're gonna go wait and check out some shows. So I feel like we're not supposed to be here because, well, there's nobody else here. And then park employees, and that's it. First ride of the day is the battering ram. Here we go.
Let's go, Fireship Marathon! Woo! Woohoo! I'm in disbelief from riding something right now. Wait, were you wearing a hat?
No, I'm joking.
Oh, whee!
This is what it's like being at Busch Gardens Williamsburg on like the coldest day in March. All right, next ride is the swings. So let's get it on. Woo! Yeah! Nothing like on the swing ride when it's like 30 degrees out. It's a pretty good spot. You get a nice view of Alpengeist. Get to check out the new color scheme. I did show you that in yesterday's part of the vlog, but get more view of Alpengeist. You can see Griffin in the distance. I think the paint job looks nice in Griffin. I mean, everything just all looks nice and clean. It looks great. Sounds like it's snapping. Ah! Woo! You can see we're on this packed train. I said you can see we're on this packed train. I think there's 3 other people on the train ride right now. So, almost Zen ride train ride on the Alpine Express. Is it the Alpine Express? Yeah, I think so.
14-foot drop with speeds up to 60 miles per hour.
Yeah, they don't even have the trains on the track yet. I was kind of hoping to get on Finnegan's Flyers, but that's not open either. Alright, so we got the Chinese food over at the Italian place, and we wanted to sit indoors, so we walked to the Fest House, because that's how you do it. So we're down here on the bridge by Loch Ness Monster, which of course isn't running because it's like negative 30 degrees. Alright, last ride of the day, we're taking the train over to New France, and it is snowing now. So it's gotten cold enough to where it's snowing, and it keeps getting colder. Now the park's going to be closing at 3 p.m. So yeah, that's going to wrap up our trip to Busch Gardens Williamsburg.